Yo, what is up, guys? And in this video, we are going to be unboxing the whole Bugha set for keyboard and mouse. So we got the speaker, the mouse pad, the mouse, and the keyboard. So we're going to be unboxing all that right now. All right, we're going to start off with the mouse. Yeah, guys, I got this from Five Below. It's like the Bugha set. It's really cool. And I'm going to be trying to do it on my dad's PC. I mean on my dad's computer. Hopefully it works. Dude, this looks sick. Oh wait, let me get the instructions. Whoa, guys. Look at this mouse. Dude, this is sick. This is sick, my guy. Okay, I need the instructions first. Yeah. Dude, this is sick. I'm going to be playing on this mouse, though. I'm going to be trying keyboard and mouse on one of my videos. Dude, this is sick. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. Alright, now I'm going to be unboxing a mouse pad. Yeah, guys, that'll be like my first time playing on PC. Hey, it would be awesome. I really recommend you guys get these stuff because they're really good. It's been a 2-minute video. I always check to see how long my videos are because they can't be too long. Alright. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this mouse pad. Just set my mouse on this. Dude, this is awesome. This is actually awesome. Alright, well, that's awesome. I'm going to just set that right there. Right then. God, wait, I just need to look at it one more time, guys. Wait, I think like maybe this button's how you move. I don't know. Dude, that's so cool. Okay, now the speakers. Yeah, guys, we got the full setup. Is that Bugha card? Oh, okay, I need this definitely. I definitely need this. Instructions. Yeah, like dude, there's so many speakers. It's crazy. We got the speaker in this. This is the first speaker. God, there's 3 speakers. It's insane. Another speaker and another speaker. We got 3 speakers. That is awesome. Okay. Now the final thing. The keyboard. The actual keyboard, guys. This looks awesome. I'm going to try setting this. I'm going to try just getting it. Okay. Yeah, I've never tried keyboard and mouse before. Uh-oh, what did I just drop? Oh, I just dropped something. Guys, this is about to look beautiful. Ready for this, guys? This is about to look sick. Oh my gosh. It's not even set up yet, and it looks so cool. Look at this keyboard. Ugh. Dude, this is sick. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. We got the speakers, the mouse, the keyboard, and the mouse pad. Yeah guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. What we always say, come next year. Hit that subscribe button. And by the way guys, big shout out to my dog Blaze, because it's his birthday today. And yeah, see ya.